Joe, what is going on, gang? How you guys doing today? As always, I'm your boy Rod the Rican, and thank you for checking out the channel. Well, the mailman dropped off a package, and here it is. And as most of you people know, I do support my LCS, but I do pre-order comics from time to time. And here is my pre-order comics for the month of March from Discount Comic Book Service. So these guys are fantastic. I've been using these guys for, I believe it's been since 2016. I've made multiple videos of the unboxings I do when I get this stuff. I like the way they pack their books, and just like the service I get from these guys. So if you guys are not using them, I highly recommend them. So just gonna see what books I got, because sometimes I forget. I got a nice little hefty stack here. So let's just take a quick minute and open this bad boy up. And let me know, guys, do you guys pre-order? I know a couple people in the community do. I know 1-2 Comic Talk, they order from DCBS. And I think there was another person, but I can't remember right now. So, and if you guys, if this is the first time watching the show or the channel, feel free to hit that like and subscribe and the notification bell. That way, whenever I put something up, whether it's recorded or a live show, you won't miss it. All right. So let's see what books I order. I know for sure there's a Daredevil in here, and recently I've been ordering multiple copies of Daredevil just because of the whole Elektra being Daredevil at the moment right now. So I got here the Immortal Hulk Flatline. There it is. That's book 1. And I got issue 30 of Oblivion Song. I think all heck is going to break loose on here, man. It's going to be a fight. I can't wait to read it. And we got Swamp Thing issue number 1. This is the variant copy, and I've got the book already, but I just wanted this variant, so I picked that up. Alrighty, let's get to the next one. This is Carnage Black and White and Blood. I pre-ordered it and I forgot, and I picked it up the other day at the shop, but I got 2 copies, so that's all right. Let's see here. Oh yeah, got some Miles Morales Spider-Man issue 24. Been digging Miles Morales. All right, let's see. Finally, I got my copy of the Joker. This is issue 1. I went with this variant cover. There was several variants, but this is the one I like the most. Just different. Like I mentioned, Daredevil, here it is, issue 28. I already got it, but I wanted another copy. So let's see. I ordered this Non-Stop Spider-Man. This is I believe this is the Alex Ross cover, and just giving it a shot. Issue 1. How bad can it get or be? So just giving that a shot. I got here issue 29 of Catwoman. I'm still collecting Catwoman, even though Joel Jones is not writing it at the moment, but I believe she's coming back. So, and she's just fantastic. Her art and her writing is just out of this world. And I got here Detective Comics issue 1034, and that's it. So those are my books for the end of March, my pre-orders from this DCBS. Guys, check the website out. Like I said, I highly recommend it. I know a lot of people use Midtown and a bunch of other places, but this is the one I go to most of the time. So thanks for watching, guys. Like I said in the beginning, hit that like and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, please, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Don't miss the content. That's pretty much it, guys. So till next time, take care.